Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the brand new Google Pixel Buds A series. Now, Google was nice enough to send these out as a gift. They were not requiring me to make a video or anything like that. So first of all, huge shout out and huge thanks to them for sending these out. All thoughts and opinions are still my own. And I wanted to make this video with you guys because I've actually been enjoying my time with these earbuds right here. It's only been about 2 days, so this is not a full review or anything like that. It's more of like a first impressions after my first 48 hours of usage with the Google Pixel Buds A series. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with what's in the box. Of course, we have the buds themselves coming in this really little case that looks like the last generation, got that egg shape to it. I actually really like it, and I even brought out an egg for comparison. Look at that. How cute is that? Got a little egg for earbuds right there, but really small, really compact. You're not gonna have any trouble with these getting in the way or anything. And just opening and closing it one-handed like that, it's just so satisfying. Look at that. Look how easy that is. But yeah, so we got the earbuds that come in the box, and then going into the box, we got some cardboard, got some more cardboard, and then we got the charging cable, USB Type-C. So there is a USB Type-C input right there at the bottom of the case. Now, there is no wireless charging with these. That's one thing I noticed about these buds, is that there's no wireless charging, which is kind of a bummer because you know, it's so convenient to be able to just, you know, set these down on a wireless charger and boom, set it and forget it. But now we have to, you know, pick up the wire, plug it in, set it down on the desk, and depending how long your wire is, if it's barely hanging off the desk or table or wherever you have it, it could possibly slide off of there. So it would have been nice if these did have wireless charging. I know other pairs of earbuds that cost less than these do come with wireless charging. So really curious as to why Google didn't include that with the A series right here. Now these do go for $99 in case you were wondering. And if by the end of this video you do find yourself interested, I'll have a link down in the description below. Let's see what else comes in the box. So you got your user manual that probably nobody ever reads, at least I don't. And then you have your extra ear tips right here, which I do recommend you go through. You wanna make sure you get the best seal possible. For me personally, the ear tips that came with the buds themselves right out of the box were perfect for me. They give me the perfect seal. And why this is so important is because these buds don't offer active noise cancellation. So this is just a way to kind of fake that active noise cancellation, give yourself the perfect seal so it blocks out as much of that outside noise as possible. And I gotta say, these do a really good job at doing that. Once you get those ear tips that fit you just right, gives you that nice seal, it's really hard to hear other things going on around you. Once you got the music playing, you got, you know, you find the perfect volume. These do a really good job at blocking out that outside sound. But that is it for the box, nothing else in here. Let me go ahead and just throw all of that to the side. We don't need that right now. This video is all about the A series of the Pixel Buds. And I gotta say, I have truly been enjoying my experience with these buds right here. We'll talk about the sound in a little bit, but comfort. These are so comfortable to wear. I've maybe had a time where I used them for about 3 hours straight in my ears. I didn't experience any ear fatigue at all. I mean, these are that comfortable. And I really like the wingtips up here at the top. They're like a really soft silicone, rubber, whatever you want to call it. It's really, really soft. Once you put it in the ear, I mean, they go into the ear nice and easy. I don't have to struggle putting them in there. And those wingtips help them stay nice and secure in your ear, so they're not gonna fall off. You know, let me put the other one. We'll do a shake test right here, right now. I'm not gonna go anywhere else and I'll do it right here. So we'll start off slow, you know, just shaking my head back and forth. Try the right side, try the left side. Let's go a little bit crazier. No, nothing. These are not coming out. So they definitely stay in the ear nice and secure, nice and comfortable. And I will be doing, you know, a little exercise workout test to see just how good these really are if you're gonna be using them, you know, for exercising. Maybe you like going on long runs, or maybe you do high intensity workouts where you're constantly moving, jumping around. I wanna know too. I wanna know if these are gonna be able to stay in my ear with lots of heavy movement, not just me sitting here, you know, shaking my head around. So I will be testing that out for my full review with these. But so far, over these past 48 hours, very, very comfortable, and they stay nice and secure in your ears. Now, when it comes to sound, they sound great in my opinion. I mean, I have no complaints with sound at all whatsoever. The highs are good, the mids are good, the lows are good, especially when you turn on that bass boost. Now, these will work with any device as long as you have the Pixel Buds app. I mean, I tried it out with my Galaxy S21 Ultra, paired with them easily. I didn't have to, all I had to do was this. boom, open it up. It popped up here on my phone, press connect, and that was it. You know, you just got to go through the little steps where it shows you how to do this, how to do that, how the touch controls work. But aside from that, I mean, setup was easy, simple. So thank you, Google, for making it so easy for us. But once it's connected to the phone, you do got this menu where it'll show you, you know, your touch controls, your play or pause. All you got to do is tap. Double tap to go to the next track, triple tap to go to the previous or repeat. You can answer calls. It even works with the Google Assistant, and the Google Assistant responds so well. And you don't have to look at your phone. When you activate the Google Assistant, you can ask it how the weather is right now at the moment, and it'll tell you in your ears. You don't have to pick up the phone to see the results. Now, I really like that about these. I can leave my phone in my pocket if I really want to. And the touch controls work great. I really like how round these are. Some people might think they're a little big. I don't think so. I mean, once they're in their ear, it's hard to miss them with those touch controls. You just boom, boom. It's hard to miss the earbuds when you're tapping them. So touch controls are very responsive on this. The connection is great on the device. I never had any problems with them disconnecting here and there or breaking off here and there. So when it comes to staying connected to your phone while listening to music, watching videos, anything like that, they stay connected 100%. Haven't had any problems. But in this menu, you can also do things like kind of customize the sound. I mean, it's not full customization, but you can turn you can turn on a bass boost mode, which I personally have on, because me personally, I like a lot of bass in my music. I mean, not a lot, but I'm a bass head. I like to hear the bass. I like to feel the bass. And once you turn on that bass boost, I mean, these sound so good with that. And that doesn't overpower, you know, everything else. For a pair of earbuds that cost 99 bucks, I mean, these sound amazing. At least as of right now, within my first 48 hours of using these sound really, really good. And they get really, really loud too. I personally, for me, it gets a little too loud depending on what I'm listening to. I'll usually have the volume at about maybe 60 to 75%. I really won't go any louder than that. Now, these also have an adaptive mode. So say, you know, you have noise around you, it gets louder, it gets quieter, it's constantly changing. Well, if you have that adaptive mode turned on, the volume on these earbuds will automatically adjust itself to be louder or quieter. Me personally, I don't really use that. I like controlling the volume myself. I know where I want my volume and I want it to stay there no matter how loud or quiet it gets around me. But it is there, you know, for those that don't want to be messing with the volume all the time. It'll automatically adjust it for you. Now, it also has in-ear detection. So, you know, say I got my earbuds on, I'm listening to music, you know, getting my groove on, something happens out here, I need to see what's going on. As soon as I pull one earbud out of my ear, either or even both of them, it'll automatically pause the music. So I'm not missing out on anything. Once I'm done doing what I got to do, throw my earbud back in, it'll automatically start playing the music back right where I left off. So I'm definitely all about that in-ear detection. That way, you know, I'm not missing out on any of my music. But yeah, I mean, just using these for the time that I have, you know, over these past 48 hours, I've actually really been enjoying the experience. Now, of course, you know, I'm going to continue testing these out for my full review. I'll test out the water resistance. I'll test out the sound a lot more with other different types of music than what I have been so far. I'll be testing out battery life as well. So far, it seems like battery life is going to be pretty good. I'm still running off of the same juice out of the box. They have not died on me yet, so it seems like battery life is going to be pretty good. Call quality is actually pretty good from what I've heard from other people that I've used these to talk on the phone with. Everybody I've talked to, you know, I asked them, you know, how do I sound? And they say it sounds good. Call quality sounds good. So I'm gonna have to hear it for myself, which I will cover in my full review as well. But like I said, so far, I mean, I've really been enjoying these. Again, $99. In my opinion, they could have been maybe about another $10 cheaper because, like I said, they don't offer wireless charging, which other earbuds that cost less do offer that, and there's also no active noise cancellation, which to me isn't a big deal, but I know to some people it is. But other than that, I mean, these are great. I still think they're worth the 99 bucks. If you do find yourself interested in these earbuds right here, I'll make sure to have some links down in the description below so you can go and check some out for yourself. But one more time, look at this. Which one do you think looks better, the egg or the earbuds? But anyways, let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.